What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be short. Just to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. But it's been a long journey, and I'm glad to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm glad I hit it by sharing with you guys my SAT knowledge and things about the SAT, things about learning. And if you are a long-time subscriber, you know I used to upload Bitcoin videos, but I don't anymore. And if you've been here for the journey, thank you. If you're day one, thank you. And even if you're new and you're new to the channel, what I provide is a bunch of SAT videos, SAT learning, and soon I'll go into ACT as well. But basically, I'll make sure I help you in not just the SAT, but the college process and anything educational. And eventually I'll start vlogging. And there's a lot coming to this channel. But thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. You know, it's actually really crazy. And hopefully we can hit 10K much faster than we hit a K. But we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.